I'm Carol Byrne, and today I am so excited to be getting my new front door installed with Palladio doors. As you can see, my door is pretty old and pretty dingy, so I'm so excited to get a new modern door that's going to keep the house nice, cozy and nice and warm. So ACME homes are on the way, and I can't wait to show you the end result. So this is it, just a finished door. I am beyond thrilled with it. It's absolutely beautiful. It's so modern and it's so warm inside, and obviously for security reasons it's fantastic. So yeah, I'm just over the moon. Thank you so much to Palladio Doors. I'm thrilled with it. The guys did an amazing job. So yeah, thank you so much.